let's cruise and lay back while we listen to some other shit. Sade, loose ends, little parliament. She got her shades on, looking all sexy. I put my hands on her thighs and she lets me. Cause she's caramel, I'm Nestle. She say I'm the finest dark brother since Wesley. And we can go and chill by some water and have a conversation on the way we was brought up. Or we can talk a little bit of politics. In today's world, how it makes no sense. Don't worry about food, cause I got that. In the wine zone, chill, you can sit back and just enjoy your time. Got a smile so bright, you can make the world shine. Sundress, flat shoes, a Gucci bag, she knows she's cool. And her lips are glossy. She got her sexy ass legs draped across me. With her bedroom eyes, I'm laughing cause I know she feeling sexy off that wine. And we can take our time. You ain't never met a guy with a steed like mine. No games, no lies, cause I'm yours and you're mine. And you're beyond what I'm used to. I must say that your whole aura beautiful.